Mutabariri wa mihang'o ya mbeu njithi na muingi guku bururi-ini Rachael Shebesh nioritie atongoria a wathani wa matura icigo-ini iria ugimarithia wa ciana cia airitu ukoretwo wihiriirie gutigirira ni metha kihonia kiria kinginina unduire uyu muhituke ni mahinda.
We have also made them aware of the law, so that they don't walk in ignorance thinking that the law is not going to take action. We will continue to take action as a government to protect our girls. But we have realized that instead of being punitive, we thought it is better to be inclusive.
Shebesh augite thina uyu no uthire angikorwo atongoria a maundu ma unduire no metikire kunyitanira na thirikari kuona nio moi wega andu aria matabanagia maundu maya na ni moi o kuria guothe mangimaruta.
They have never been able to find a way to marry the culture and the need for culture and the ending of FGM. We are going to find a formula where culture can still be celebrated but harmful culture can be stopped.
Kuringana na Agnes Pereyo muikariri giti wa bodi ya kuhurana na ugimarithia wa airitu kuri na mihang'o ya guthomithania njira cia kuhurana na unduire uyu akiuga aingi aria matungagio ngero ino ni maremagwo ni kwiyaria kumana na mikana iria marutagirwo.
We are not moving forward because the girls continue to be cut, and it's like we started cutting the tree from top bottom. So we now need to start from bottom up.
Ona gukiri uguo amwe a atongoria ni meranire kunyitanira niguo kuhukia mathina maya makiuga ciana nyingi ikoretwo igiikara miturire ya minyamariko kuona ona ingi ni matigithagio githomo na kuhikithio kia hinya.
Ending FGM, we have to use so many different strategies. And we think now with the acceleration plan, we only have 2021 and 2022. So we think we should be able to engage the elders at community level.
Kama sisi kiongozi wa Masai, tumekubaliana hatuwezi sikia hiyo maneno tena.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.